I'm going to teach you 10 recommendations to teach online using Zoom. Stay tuned to the last one, which I really like. All of them are pretty useful, and they'll make your life a lot easier when you're teaching using this amazing tool called Zoom. Let's do it. First, disable audio and video. Make sure your video and audio are off by default when you enter a meeting, just in case you're not prepared for that meeting. And then you can turn it on as soon as you join the meeting. Second, test the audio. There's nothing more frustrating than entering a meeting and being fumbling with the audio settings. Do that before you start a meeting. Third, test video. You can do that by clicking the video before you start your meeting, but then make sure that you have enough light pointing to your face or stand near a window, and also that your eyes are a third from the top so it looks nice and even, your frame. 4. Enable waiting room. To avoid unwanted people joining your meeting, make sure that you have a waiting room. That way you only accept people that you want to. 5. Lock meeting. Another safety measure is that you can lock the meeting once you have all the students. 6. Mute all except yourself. Click on participants, then mute all. Then you can allow participants to unmute themselves or not. You can also use the shortcut Command-Control-M to accomplish the same thing. 7. Share computer audio. Click on Share and then click on Share Computer Sound and optimize screen for a video clip. That way, any video that you share via Zoom will sound perfectly on your student's computer. Recording, convert it. Convert it. 8. Adjust aspect ratio. If you're sharing just a specific app or window, you want to make sure that it's stretched out so it fills your student's screen. 9. Whiteboard and animations. Click Share Screen, then select Whiteboard, and then click Share. And now you can use annotations to start drawing anything that you want. You can also click on the plus button on the bottom right corner to add more pages. And you can also save these pages as PNG files locally in your computer. You can also annotate web pages or anything on your computer as well, as you can see here. 10. Press spacebar to talk. Just go to audio settings and then click on press and hold space key to temporarily unmute yourself. And now every time you press the spacebar, you can speak. And as soon as you stop doing so, you'll be muted again. Super useful feature as well. I hope you enjoy learning those 10 top tips to use Zoom when you're teaching online. Thanks for watching.